Okay, today we will discuss a particular question of limit. In this question, I have a condition that without using series expansion and L-Hospital rule, we have to evaluate this, right? Generally, whenever this question comes into mind, most of the people what did they do? They apply the formula that is a series for sin x. Either they apply L-Hospital rule, but if it is given that in particular we could not able to apply the L-Hospital rule and series expression, then how can we evaluate this? Let us discuss this question now. Okay, right. So first of all, I have evaluated this. I have assumed that this limit x tends to 0, x minus sin x upon x cube is equal to L, right? So in this question, first of all, I assume that x equal to 3p. So if we assume that x equal to 3p, it doesn't affect the limit, because as x approaches to 0, then p approaches to x by 3, that is 0 by 3, that is 0. Now this question come into this form: 3p minus sin 3p upon 3p whole cube, right? This can be written as limit p approaches to 0, 3p minus sin 3p upon 27 p cube, right? Now we can observe that here we have sin 3p and we know the formula for sin 3p, so we will apply that formula here. Sin 3p, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, right? This is the formula. If we apply this formula here, so we have 3p minus 3 sin p, in bracket we have minus 4 sin cube p, but if you open the bracket it becomes plus, right? So let us segregate these three terms as 3p minus 3 sin p upon 27 p cube and 4 by 27 sin 3p upon p cube, right? Why we have segregated this? Because if we observe that this is actually in the form of the actual question. So if we take 3 common and cancel with this 3 to this 27, so we have 1 by 9 p minus sin p upon p cube, and here we can write this as sin p upon p whole cube, right? So this is actually the real question: x minus sin x upon x cube, where x approaches 0, and here we have p minus sin p upon p cube where p is equal to 0. So we can write this as L again. So overall it becomes L by 9, which is actually equal to L because this whole term is actually equal to L, plus 4 by 27, this is equal to 1, because we know that whenever angle tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to 1. So 1 whole cube is also 1. So just take this term to this side. So L minus L by 9 equal to 4 by 27, 9 L minus L. So this becomes 8 L by 9 equal to 4 by 27. So L is actually equal to 4 by 27 into 9 by 8. This cancel out this 2. So finally, and we can consider this 9 with this 27, we have 3. The final answer is 1 by 6. So we can say that the value of this limit is actually 1 by 6. This will be the answer.